Does painting a house add value? Dear friends, while interior repainting can set a mood and create a pleasant atmosphere, you can manipulate the perception of a room by strategically repainting the interior walls. For example, you can use light and neutral colors to brighten a small room and make it look more spacious. Or, consider warmer and darker colors to make a large room seem cozier and less overwhelming. The proper techniques and color palette can create a visual illusion that raises or lowers the ceiling. Manipulating your interior space enhances interior design, making a property more appealing to buyers. A fresh coat of exterior paint can cover up all the cosmetic flaws that go unnoticed over time. While a faded, cracked and shabby exterior can degrade your home's perceived value, fresh paint can do the opposite. Curb appeal gives interested buyers a positive first impression, influencing their purchasing decision. But how much value does painting your house add? Exterior versus interior. How painting increases a home's value. Fresh paint is one of the savviest ways to increase any home's value. Expert says repainting your exterior can net you up to a 152% return on investment. Meanwhile, a refreshed interior paint job can increase your home's asking price by an estimated 1% to 3%. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.